Alright, so I hope you guys are pretty excited about this video because I am going to talk about the Hellcat front bumper installation on my 2013 Dodge Challenger RT. What I want to go over this video is mainly the installation process and my personal feelings on the bumper itself by Ikonmotorsports. I'll go ahead and start off with the fitment and what I think about it overall. It's not 100%, perfect. You're gonna have to make it work and kind of shove things into where they belong. It being on the, the car itself, I noticed that it's not 100% flush over here. And back here sticking out a little bit. Back here, it does the same thing on the old bumper too, so I mean, I can't blame it on the part itself. Maybe it's something behind here, or that's just how they are. Up here as well. So this part and this part is exactly the same on this side. It sticks up a little bit like that, and over here is not 100% flush. However, here is. That's the main thing that's really noticeable. But who knows, someone else with the same kit might be able to have a better fitment than me. It's just probably I did something a little different or wrong, I guess. But overall, I like it as a whole. It's not bad. I think it still looks pretty good. So I have the lights on now to show you what it looks like with the older style headlights, the pre-2015 ones. When you buy the kit, it tells you that the older headlights are bigger than the newer ones, so it will be cut off, and obviously they weren't lying because mine is cut off. When I'm driving down the street, this part is cut off, so it doesn't look too bad in my opinion. I'm still not gonna buy the new ones just because they're like 600 bucks. On top of that, you need to buy new wiring harnesses, and I don't want to go through all that trouble. Plus, I just bought these headlights. So that's what that looks like. So I'll go ahead and talk about the installation process and my experience putting on this front bumper. What we're gonna start with is the old bumper and the parts that you're gonna need to take off to make that work. First thing was that there's that little rubber piece that sits across the top for where the hood connects. So remember to take that off. Those are put together with metal rivets. I have to actually buy some more because it came with 9 and 9 is exactly what you need, but I broke some. So these are the pieces to connect that. You're also going to use these for the other parts as well. The other parts are these plastic, I don't know what they're called, but it's a plastic part where you kind of like shove it up and line it up with these grooves. You take that out and you put it onto the new bumper. Same thing with that side. Other than that, that was really it. You can't reuse these side markers, so I'm gonna have to do something for mine because there's just a big old hole in mine right now. This part came out of the front. When I originally put it on, I just took off that bumper and this was still on there, and I tried to put the bumper in front of it and it just wouldn't fit. I had no idea what I needed to do because this doesn't come with instructions or anything like that, and there's no YouTube videos out there that's gonna tell you based off what I was trying to look up. But yeah, you gotta remove that, and it's held on by these 2 brackets. After you take that off, it should fit pretty well. Exact same way, inside there's this top part too where you can just put your push pins down. Yeah, you're gonna have to push and pull because I was trying to line up one side and I had my brother pull on the other side to make it fit. But that's, to put on the bumper. putting the pieces together is a whole different story because I had no idea what I was doing. I figured out by looking off that one, and you know, these are separate pieces, and there's these tabs on the back where you kind of line them up and push them together. Once you push them together though, it's really hard to take out, so you know, make sure you got it really lined up before you force everything together. When you first get it, there are these two bars up here and down here. I'm assuming it's to, you know, keep it open so it doesn't sag prior to you putting in this part. So break that off, because I didn't when I was putting on this piece and this piece, and it was just rough. Like it would have been 100 times easier if I just would have broke those two brackets off first. Alright, so that is my take on the Ikonmotorsports Hellcat front bumper for 08 to 14 Challengers. For the price that I paid, I wasn't expecting it to be perfect, which is not, but I'm happy with it. So I hope that helps you determine if you're going to get the kit or not. If you do end up getting the kit and you feel like you're getting stuck or have any kind of questions, please reach out to me, whether it through be the comment section or Instagram. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Also, follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up with any of my mods for any of the vehicles, because I'll have a picture up way before a video. If you got anything out of this video or you enjoyed it, please do me a favor and actually like the video or comment and let me know how I can improve. Also, try to follow Project Oni's social media account. Check out their website and their merchandise. Maybe you'll find something you like. What I got next planned for this Challenger is definitely coloring the bumper. So I'm not gonna get a paint match. I am going to vinyl wrap it myself. So if you wanna guess the color, go ahead and do it in the comment section. But I already got the wrap inside my house, and I'll probably start it on it first thing tomorrow. So we'll see how that goes in the next video.